Welcome to 305 Broken Hill Road. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath brick ranch style home with a 1-car garage, covered front porch, huge fenced backyard with deck, and hardwood floors inside. It's located in the Challedon Point neighborhood in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia. Convenient to I-20 and I-26, just minutes from Harbison and Lexington, Richland 5 schools. So you can see here in the front yard you have a driveway there leading up to the 1-car garage. Also have a covered front porch as well going along most of the front of the home. As we step inside, you see the hardwood flooring. There's a real hardwood that go throughout the house. Ceiling fans throughout most of the home as well. There's one here in the living room off the entry. Window looking out towards the front. And a nice door with a side light there. So your kitchen is to the left here. You can see you have white appliances. There's a refrigerator and a smooth top, an electric range here. White cabinets as well. Window overlooking the backyard. And you have a nice crown molding here in the kitchen also. And then you continue on into the dining room that is off of the kitchen. Could be used for any other purpose as well. It does have a dining room style fixture there. There's also a sliding glass door that lets out to the deck and backyard. So we'll take a look at that now. So just out back here you can see large wood deck off the back of the home and a huge fenced backyard. You can get a better view of it in the pictures, but you can see it sort of starts on the side there, continues all the way back around and then onto the left there. And then the door right in front of us here leads to the laundry room, sort of laundry and mudroom, and also access to the garage. So you have tile flooring in here, some built-in shelving. You have full-size washer and dryer connections against in the corner of the wall there, and sort of a nice wall pegboard where you can mount some other things to hang items, but there already are some built-in shelves there. And then you have your access to the garage. No opener in this one. There is some storage there above, but a nice size and pretty high ceiling height in there as well. And then this door is just another door out to the backyard, just down a few steps. So all of our bedrooms are going to be down to the right here. And we'll start with our master at the back left and sort of work our way back. So you can see the master bedroom here. You have 2 windows, ceiling fan, nice size closet here in the corner. And all of these closet doors swing directly open, no bifold, so it would benefit there if you are frustrated with those. You also have a full bathroom attached. You have a single vanity, a medicine cabinet, commode, and also a tile shower here as well. And at the end of the hall here, a linen closet. Second full bedroom. This one's on the front right corner of the house if you're looking from the outside. Ceiling fan in here as well. And also a nice size closet. Does have another lower shelf there also. In the hallway here, another linen closet. As well as on the right side, coat closet. And then you have your third bedroom. This one has some really nice built-in cabinetry and shelving. And you have a nice large window and a bench seat there as well. Closet there. And that closet does have a left side door. It's just kind of tucked back here. And you also do have sort of picture rail molding in there. Well, originally I believe that was designed so you could hang pictures directly from that without having to putting the nails into the wall. So And then again here, last but not least, you have your second full bathroom. This one's been very nicely updated. You have a shower and tub enclosure, tile flooring in this one, and then more of the original sort of sink there. And updated lighting as well, and a window looking out to the backyard. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 305 Broken Hill Road. You can find out more information about this property by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com or giving us a call at 803-407-8522.